Got a skincare fridge. Let's talk about it. I got this 15-liter Kululi mini fridge off of Amazon and I've had it for just over 3 months. I went with white so that it doesn't make my bathroom look too busy, but this white is more of a cool toned glossy white and she's got a little sparkle. It comes with an instructional pamphlet, 2 adjustable shelves, 2 container baskets, AC and DC power cords, and it has the ability to cool or warm at the switch of a button, so that's kind of neat. I use it to store my skincare products in my bathroom. I removed the bottom shelf so I could stand up all of my sprays, toners, and essences. I added some masks, moisturizers, and facial tools on the top shelf, and I stored my sheet masks and whatever else I could fit in the basket attached to the door. My main concern when looking for a skincare fridge was the potential for it to be noisy, but I'm happy to report that this one does not make a peep. It's actually impressively quiet, and it keeps everything nice and chilled. This was my first time organizing it, so I wanted to see how much I could fit into it, but I've since rearranged it and moved some things around. I wouldn't advise jam packing it or leaving the door open for too long because it can lead to condensation on the inside. Other than that, I love this thing. Did I need it? No. Am I glad I got it? Yeah. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Hey guys, so come with me while I portion out some healthy snacks for my daughter because she doesn't eat any of those Lunchables or any of those snacks for her boyfriend that I put in her fridge. So we're gonna stock her mini fridge in her bathroom so she can have some snacks while she either goes to the bathroom or does her hair or makeup. She doesn't really need any of these creams in her mini fridge in here. So we're gonna clean this with the Thieves Cleaner. I use that from Young Living. We're gonna be sure to do an extra good job in here, get all those corners because, you know, yuck. I didn't do a very good job in the last video. Put that shelf back in. We're gonna put the raspberries in, the carrots. We're gonna put a clementine in, the goldfish. We're gonna put a couple little puddings. I don't know what she's gonna use for a spoon. And we're gonna put an apple in, some cheese sticks, and then these Go-Gurts that don't fit very good, but we're gonna shove them in there. Yeah, so hopefully she can eat all this in there and
So I have guests staying with me tomorrow, and I just got back from the store. I bought every beverage I could think of to fill my mini fridge for them, but this is the room that they're staying in, and it's a total disaster, and it's already 10 o'clock at night, so I better get to work. James just told me that this is the worst flavor of LaCroix. Does anyone else agree? I'm so bad at picking LaCroix flavors at the store. He says I can no longer do it. If you don't agree this is the best brand of root beer in the entire world, just don't know if we can be friends. If you love soda as much as I do, especially Dr. Pepper, but don't love the sugar and all of the calories, try this instead. I don't have a different can for the last row, so I'm just gonna have to do another row of Barq's root beer. The whole thing is ruined. This one has a dent. That can't happen. We're gonna have to switch it. All better. Oh my god, really tight. There we go. The drinks are looking good. Now we're gonna move on to snacks. This is one of my favorite late night snacks, apple slices and peanut butter. All done. The fridge area is done. I just have to fill it with a few more of their favorite goodies in the morning. I've got a long ways to go and I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it, so wish me luck.
Fill up Nathan's surprise mini fridge with me. I got him the comfy fridge from Amazon. Watch until the end for his reaction. Link in bio to get yours.
Three, two, one, open!
No way, a mini fridge. I've wanted one of these for ages. Do I get to keep all this as well?
Yeah.
What?
2, let's stock the mini fridge. First, I'm filling the mini bottles. Pomegranate juice, I'm probably gonna spill everything. Coconut water. Last 4 with just water. I'm gonna put these on the bottom shelf. Now for the fruit, I'm doing raspberries and blackberries. Baby Bell cheese. Lunchables and Go-Gurt on the side. I found these snack containers at Target and I'm just filling them with grapes. I bought 4 more, so I'm just filling them with chocolate. Can't forget Capri Sun because I'm addicted. I've never had these, so hopefully they're good. Pickle Ricks, these are the best. I found this really cool looking soda. Strawberry applesauce and watermelon hints. Okay, this is so worth it. It's so cute.